So the paleo people in the movie Fathead, they always talk about, what a great name for a movie, Fathead. Eat some more fat, get fat in the head. Your gut's not fat enough, so fatten up your brain. Fill it full of saturated fat, that's right. Make more fat in your head. Anyways, you just have to laugh at that one. We have here atherosclerosis in the Masai from Africa. So the animal fat exceeds that of American men, and the Masai exercise a fair bit, so it keeps them sort of half okay. But like Jim Fix, who died of a heart attack and made fun of vegans, it doesn't protect you. Interesting stuff. So next time some paleo or primal or Western A Price person goes, but the Masai ate lots of meat and milk and had perfect arteries. It's like, well, no. They had clogged arteries. Cite this article and debunk the claims put out there by the Fathead crew. Thanks for watching.